Hey everybody, we just got done drawing Dogman, the
Scarlet
Shedder.
Jinx!
Dang it. Yeah, I think they turned out really well. This is mine, this is Finn's. We're going to show you how we did it, and we hope you have fun. Let's jump into it. Okay, so we had a request to draw Dogman, the Scarlet Shedder. So this one's going to be kind of tricky, but it's going to be, I think that we can do it. Okay, so we're going to start up here. Scarlet Shedder is going to be, the head's going to be about right here. The body's going to be down here, but we're going to have to leave a little bit of room for the cape to be flowing off to the back. And if the cape kind of leaves the border of the paper, that's okay too. It'll actually look kind of cool. Okay, you ready to get started?
Yep.
Okay. All right, so I think that it might be easiest to start with his eyes, okay? So we're gonna make kind of like a V, okay? But it's not like a V like this, it's gonna be kind of a wider V like that, okay? So it's gonna look like this.
That is it right here.
A little bit over, more, yeah, right there. Nice. And then we'll go like this, like a dip, and then another dip for the eyes. Very good. And then
Kind of looks like he's mad.
yeah, it does. Okay, so we'll go like this, and then draw just kind of another little shape on the inside of that shape that we made. Kind of looks like Spider-Man almost. Okay, and then we'll draw a little circle out here.
Is that for his nose?
Mm-hmm. Okay. We'll draw a line straight across like that. Perfect. Now we'll just fill in this part with black. And then we're gonna leave a little bit of a shiny right there in his nose, and then color in the rest with black. Nice. Okay, now we'll do the head of Dogman. It's gonna be starting from kind of the middle of this part of his eye, and then we're just gonna make a big kind of round thing that goes all the way under and then attaches into his nose. Nice. And then a big angry frown like this. Nice. And then we'll draw a mask going around his head. Yeah. And then here. This looks good. I'm liking this. Okay, so I guess he wears like a bow tie and like a suit with coattails coming out the back and a cape. So we're gonna try to do this as best we can. So right here, we're gonna draw a little circle. Bloop.
Is this for the bottom of his bow tie?
Yep. And then this one goes out like this. Kind of like a triangle that way. And this one, all you need to do is that and then up, because it kind of goes behind his chin. Nice. And then you could draw the little wrinkles in the bow tie by doing two little things.
They make bow ties, and sometimes the bow ties are like that.
That looks really good. Okay, now we're gonna do the collar of his suit. So we'll start up here, kind of on his cheek, and it goes out, in, out, and then a big long in with like a curve.
Out, in, out,
And then a curve.
in.
Nice, that looks good. That looks really good. And then this can connect into the the bottom of that bow tie like this. Yeah, that looks really good. Okay. Now we're gonna draw from the side of this bow tie knot right here. It's gonna go just straight down.
Why did you say knot right there and you're doing it right there?
Oh, because it's like a knot, like you tie a knot in a rope knot.
Oh.
K-N-O-T.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
I know how to spell it.
Okay, and then this goes out like this.
Is that his
Nice.
cape?
That's kind of, it's called a coat tail. Some suits have what's called like a coat tail. You see some
Oh,
like famous
Kinda
bowling
like-
players.
kind of like wedding dresses, and they have like the
Yeah, but for dudes.
dudes.
Now, what we'll do, since right here, we'll go straight out and connect it with that. And then like this. I think he has buttons. And then this is kind of like a, not a belt, but like a sash. I don't know what you want to call it.
I think it's called a sash.
And then here, we'll just start from here on this little collar thing and come out. And then come to a point.
For the end of the coattail.
Yep. This is kind of a cool thing to point out. So this part of the collar is in front of this part of the suit. So you can go up like that, because that's behind it. So that covers the part. So we draw a little line like this. And then now his arm. Big old noodle arm.
Remember in my robot, you called the like arms, like the bot and the like but under the arms and legs, you call them beans.
Yeah, that's true. They did kind of look like beans. Okay, so we do a big old noodle.
Another big old noodle.
And then here, we do a little noodle. And then now we'll draw his gloves with his fist. So straight line. And then a little curve. Okay, and this is how I like to draw fists. I think I've shown you this before, but I like to just reteach people. Come out, bump,
Yeah, you've taught me this. In my book,
and then you go bump, and then you start on this side, you go bump, and then another one that connects into the side of the glove. So right now it looks like an upside down broccoli, but it's gonna look like a fist when you go like this. There you go, and then you just connect that. So now it looks like a fist. That looks good.
You showed me how to do a hand, but not
Mhm.
a fist.
We're gonna do the same thing here. Down. Down. Okay. And then bump. We're gonna do the upside down broccoli. Bump. Bump. And then bump. And then finishing touch to make it look like a fist, like a clenched fist. Nice. That looks good. That looks way good. Okay, now the legs. And then this part is going to go out straight like this. We'll finish this foot and then we'll do the other foot. Straight down. And then we'll start right here and go bump. And then connect it.
Are we doing a boot?
Mm-hmm. Then
Does actually look like a boot.
Then now this one's gonna go out like this. And then now And then he's kind of standing on a building, so we could do the whole building top like this. Okay, and now last part, the flowy cape. So I can start like down here by his neck, like this. Go up, up, and it's gonna go off the paper. It's gonna go out, off the paper. I love it. There's our Bark Knight. Oh, not Bark Knight, sorry.
Scarlet Shatter.
Scarlet Shedder. Okay, should we color it?
Yes.
Let's do it. All right, everybody, there is our Scarlet
Shatter.
Shedder. I love it. Okay, we hope that you had fun drawing with us. Give a thumbs up,
Ding dong.
and we'll see you next time.